Hi, my name is Chad Detchen, Assistant Director in the Wolak Learning Center, which is located on the second floor of the Wolak Library Learning Commons. I'm here to walk you through how to receive academic assistance with the Wolak Learning Center. From the MySNHU homepage, scroll down and on the left-hand side, select Learning Center Campus under Academic Support. Or select Offices and Learning Center. This will bring you to the Wolak Learning Center homepage, where you will find our drop-in tutoring schedule. It's arranged by content area. Select the content area you are looking for assistance in. There's no need to make an appointment with drop-in tutoring. For example, if you are looking for support in math, you can drop in LC 205 on Tuesdays between 12:30 and 3 and receive academic support in math. For a more detailed look at our drop-in tutoring schedule, select Drop-in Tutoring Schedule located on the left-hand side of your screen. This will bring you to the WC Online homepage, where if you have not done so already, you will need to register for an account. To register, simply type in your SNHU email address, first, last name, student ID, and select your class standing, graduation year, and first or home language. You will then create a password and re-enter that password. Finally, you will go through the fake registration prevention. When done, hit Complete Registration. That will bring you back to the WC Online homepage, where you will put in your email address and password. From here, you will select the course or subject area you are looking for assistance in. So for example, if I were looking for help in Accounting 201, I would select ACC 201, and I can see the available days and times that drop-in tutoring is offered for Accounting 201. Notice the room on the left-hand side next to the peer educator who is working that shift. Finally, if you are looking to work with a peer mentor or a tutor on a weekly basis, you will need to fill out our Qualtrics survey. To do so, select Request One-to-One Tutoring or Mentoring. Once you fill out our Qualtrics survey, a coordinator will email you to set up a time and day to meet with you. If you are taking a course online this semester, you can receive academic support by logging into the course's Brightspace and selecting Academic Support. You can also get there from Course Menu, Learning Modules, and selecting Academic Support. From this module, you will click on the link that says Get Help with Your Schoolwork. On behalf of the Wolak Learning Center, we wish you all the success this semester and hope to see you soon on the second floor of the Wolak Library Learning Commons.